Hello, in this video I would like to show you one more cast on way that I use in my work. For that way you need hook, needles, different size. So this is a working needle and this is an additional needle. It's just easier to use a thinner one, much thinner than the original one. You will understand later why. So first of all, I need to make a chain. Yes, sorry, and one more thing, you need a smaller hook, but this is optional. This is optional. You will also understand why. So with a large size hook, you make with additional yarn. This is not the main yarn for the project. It's an additional yarn. You make a chain. Very loose chain. Do not tighten. Not this knot and not stitches. Just make them very loose. Just like that. Very, very loose. That's enough. Now pull this stitch. This is your chain. That's how it looks at the front. And now turn it back up. And you see these ribs. See these ribs? So I will cast on stitches through these loops. See, these are like ribs through these ones. For that I'm using smaller size hook, but you can use it. You can do it with the needle, of course. So this is my main yarn, and I will pull now stitches, make it a little bit longer, through these ribs. This is one, that's another rib, two, that's another rib, three, oops, sorry, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Where is my 8? Here is 8. 8 is here. 9. Oops, sorry. Through this loop only. 9. 10. 11 and 12. Now I'm going to transfer all these stitches to the needle, but I'm going to do it through the rear part of my hook because it is much easier. Done. So I don't need hooks anymore. I just need the same needle, the same size. I'm turning my work over. By the way, this is the way to control it. So after you cast on and transfer it on the needle, you just look. That's the back side and that's the front side. So all your chain should be on one side. That's a correct look. Now I will start knitting. I will knit a couple of rows. So first I transfer, and now see the stitches look opposite way. So I will purl them through the rear loop of the stitches. Sorry, because I don't like twisted stitches, that's why. Just first row, see, through the real loop I'm purling them. And the last one, tighten it. I'm turning my work over, and now I will knit next row just a regular way as you need. I'll make a couple of rows. I made a few rows of the camera, so now you see clearly the beginning. That's a cast on row. Now I'm going to collect all these blue stitches on this thin needle. It doesn't matter from which side you will start doing it. I'm using thinner needle just to collect it, then I will continue of course with the regular needle with this size, working needle size. It's just easier to do it with a thinner needle size. Done. So all my stitches are here. Now I'm turning my work back, and what I have to do, I have to release or undo this knot at the end of my chain. See here, I'm going to undo it. That's why I was doing it very loose. And now I'm going to pull this yarn and see what happens. I'm just releasing it. I'm just pulling this yarn and releasing. See, it's a magic. Don't need to cut anything. That's it. This is all you need to. You don't need to cut anything. Absolutely. So this is the last stitch that I missed. Here it is. That's it. You have two sides. Oops. Sorry, this stitch and this stitch. Last two stitches I missed. Sorry. So here you have a two-sided stitches. You can continue either way, but because yarn is here, so you can. I would, if I would making this, I would continue on this side, and usually I release it at the end when work is done and I need to sew the open stitches together. In case I'm making a snoot, long snoot, then I come back and sew open stitches to each other, and it makes seamless work, seamless snoot. So this is all that I wanted to show you today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.